Hello visible people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking for this video. So in this video we want to eat our pumpkin swallow. Another way of pumpkin swallow is on our YouTube channel, how we prepare this pumpkin swallow. And this is vegetable. You see, this is our vegetable with fish. So follow us and come and join us as we want to eat this delicious food.
Yeah, beautiful people, thank you for joining us. This is another way of eating a pumpkin. This pumpkin is made up of fiberless corn flour to thicken it with beans. Okay, beans, as we all know, is nutritious, proteinous. So wow, you can see this is very thick, very solid. So you can use if you have oatmeal, you can use it to thicken it, you know, any of your choice. It's not compulsory you use, maybe like our previous video we use fermented corn dough. This is fiberless corn flour. Okay,
With beans.
how we got the fiberless corn flour is on our YouTube channel. The beans powder is also on our YouTube channel. So you are invited. We are eating it with vegetable soup. How we prepare this vegetable is also on our YouTube channel. 5-in-1, 7-in-1 vegetable. If you have not watched it, take a look at them. Even as you can see from the process, when we were preparing this pumpkin swallow, we had to have more water because of the beans. Beans consumes water, and the fiberless corn flour.
Yeah.
What?
In fact, try and prepare this swallow and this vegetable for your family.
This is very nutritious. You can eat it with any choice of your soup. Which is what we have, is what we are using. We have vegetable soup, which is very, very nice. It goes well with egusi or even draw soup.
We are taking it with cold water, you know.
The weather is a bit hot.
You see,
This is very nice.
this is mushroom.
Really? Please like, share, and comment. Drop in the comment section which of these two recipes of pumpkin fufu or swallow you prefer. Pumpkin is very good for weight loss. If you want to, if you're watching your weight, Fede, you are not eating now. What's the deal? Uncle? Pick. Wow. Wow, this is very nice. In fact, I'll be eating this almost every day. The major difference between this pumpkin swallow we are eating with the previous one, the corn we used was fermented, and this is not fermented. And in addition, we added beans to this. Although the previous recipe, we grated the pumpkin, but this one we didn't grate it. We just we cooked it and we blended it. Very satisfying. Thank you for watching. Please like,
Thank
share.
you for watching.
Don't forget to turn up the notification bell to all. If you are just seeing our beautiful faces,
subscribe.
Help us to subscribe.
Yes, someone please subscribe.
Philip, say subscribe.
Face them. Say subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.